Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jeff, right? Just giving you a quick update. Well, trying to help you guys. See, a couple of you had some problems downloading the MT4 app for Mac. Um, this is the easiest way I found how to do it on my computer here. I just go to xm.com here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, down here, and then right here where it says MT4 platforms. Just click on MT4 for Mac, and that pulls you up your MetaTrader download here. So you can hit download anywhere on this page. Hit download here. You can go down, scroll down, download here. They're all the same. Hit download, and once you download it, you'll get I don't know what the screen is called. Looks like a double screen where you drag over the app into um, I guess your applications folder. Once you drag it over into your applications folder, then you're going to have to approve it if it's your first time, because Apple doesn't allow outside, I guess, app developers. So because they don't allow the outside app developers, you have to drag that the XM MT4 over into the applications folder. And once you do that, you'll get a pop-up that tells you that it can't be opened because it's from a unidentified developer. And then you just click OK on that, close that out. Once you close that out, you go up to your top left hand corner, hit the Apple icon, then hit Systems Preference. And then your Systems Preferences, that'll take you, it hadn't popped up, but it'll take you to your to this right here. So from here, you just hit security and privacy. I've already got this on my computer, so it's going to show a little different. But down here at the bottom, you'll get, I think it'll say the, like, allow download. So it'll allow download, then it'll have your MT4 down here. Just click open anyway. Make sure you click on the App Store and identify developers or whatever. It might be clicked already, but click on it, open anyway, and then you should be able to use your MT4. After that, you'll just have to log into whatever broker you use, and if need be, just let me know. I can tell you how to do that as well. But actually, I'll show you right quick. Let me see. Open my XM. It'll take a second. I'll pause this while it opens. I'm back. Once you get into your MT4 and it pops up on your screen once you're logged in, or once you get in, you're going to want to log in. So you're going to go to your navigator. Click on your navigator. Scroll up and close it out so you're not confused. And then you are going to go in here. You're going to right click here onto your accounts. And you're not going to go log into an account unless you have an account already, or unless you've been in MT4 on this computer already. But you're going to go here to open an account, because this is with your new MT4. Then you're going to go and scroll down here, right in here. My computer's acting up and it's running slow, but it'll scan and then it'll give you opportunity to open a new account, like right in here. Let me close it out and try it again. So I've already, but let's log in. So you got your account. It's not gonna, have these for you. If your account's not down here, you're going to need to do the step before, because it's not going to have all your accounts on here. But if you see your account in here, you can go in there and log in from there. But you're not going to be able to do it 9 times out of 10. You're going to have to go into accounts, hit open an account, scan, let it go ahead and scan. It might take a second. I'm going to pause it while it's scanning. Okay, it's still scanning, but you can scroll down here. Just scroll down to the bottom. Look for your broker. If you've got Hugo's Way, Trader's Way, whoever you use, add them in there. Hit enter on your computer, and then you can go in to here. So if you got a live account, you can log into your live account. If you got your demo, log into your demo account here. And that's where it'll take you to. Click on that. You go to log in to a trade account. You put in your login number that you get from your broker and your password here, and then just click log in, and you're in there. Hope this helps. Know it's a little choppy. I hadn't done one of these, but just trying to show you guys. All right, let me know if it helps.